Washington has its chance to show its strength in the National Defense Savings Pledge campaign. Our sister state of Oregon had its turn some weeks ago. Oregon made a splendid showing. I am confident Washington will do as well. You will be asked to sign a simple pledge of practical patriotism, agreeing to invest regularly a part of your current income in United States defense bonds. When you sign that pledge, as I know you will be making an investment in America, in freedom for yourselves, your children, and their children. Uncle Sam is counting on this state. Plain people all over the world are counting on us. Scandinavians, Czechs, Chinese, and the starved people of Poland, of France, and of Greece, they all are counting on us. Each pledge we sign fortifies their hope in America. Each pledge we sign strengthens our own morale and welfare.